Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to sell on TikTok without a TikTok shop. As you can see right here, on the other tab, we have our TikTok account and the Temu. Okay, so we are going to use a Temu so that we can sell products on our TikTok account. So what we are going to do here is to make sure that you have logged into your TikTok account and then go to temu.com and then log into your Temu account. Okay, and then once you're done, all you have to do here is to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you can see this option. Okay, so let me just scroll down just a little bit and then click on this affiliate and influencer earn commission. After that, another tab will open and you'd be directed to this section. Okay, so we are going to use our affiliate link so we can sell products on TikTok without having a TikTok shop. Okay, here on Temu, there are many ways where we can earn our commission. So here we can click on the invite affiliate section, hot items, or influencer. Okay, so for this video, we are going to focus on the hot item section. Okay, so let me just go back to the hot items. So when you clicked on this one, you'd be able to see here different items that you can share. You just have to pick the items that you want to share on your TikTok account. So for this video, we are going to focus on uploading videos from different products. So for example, let us start with this one. Okay, so for example, we want to use this product. So all you have to do is to click on it. And then as you can see, just have to find if this product has a video. Okay, so if this product doesn't have any video, so you can use the images as well. But for this video, we are going to focus on uploading videos from products. Okay, so for example, let's try this one. Okay, so I think so, yeah, this one has a video. So what we're going to do now is to save the video in our computer. Just simply right click and click on save video as, and then you just have to put it in your folder. After that, just click on save. Then once the video is downloaded, let's go back to the other tab where we can get the link for this product using our affiliate account. Okay, so what we're going to do here is to simply click on the share option, and then you'd be able to see here the different options where you can copy the link or copy the deep link. So what we're going to do here is to copy all of the details of this product. So just simply click on this copy option. Okay, and then after that, go back now to your TikTok account. That's right, and what you're going to do here is to click on the upload option. And as you can see, this is our profile, and we already uploaded here some of the videos from Temu. So yeah, just simply click on the select video option. Okay, and then you just have to find the video that you have saved from Temu, and then just click on open after that. So right here, remember the link or the text that we have copied. So just have to paste it right here. So let me just erase this text. And then let's go back right here and then copy the link once again. So just click on the share option and then click on the copy option. Now go back to TikTok, and then we just have to paste this text in the description box. Okay, so next thing that you should do is to change the cover of your video. So right here, you just have to simply click on the edit cover, and then if you would like to add hashtag for your video, you just simply click on the hashtag option and just type out, for example, FYP or coffee that is related to the product that you are selling. Okay, so let me just type it right here, FYP and then coffee. Okay, so now of course you have to change the settings if you want to post it right now or you want it to be scheduled. And of course, for the privacy, you have to select everyone for this one. After that, just click on the post option. Okay, so let me just change the cover. So you just have to find here the best cover for your video, and then once you selected the cover, you just click on confirm and then click on post. After that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and when you go to the post section, you'll be able to see here all of the posts that you have created. Okay, so you also have here the analytics. Now let's go back to TikTok. Okay, so just simply click on the back to TikTok option. So this one at the bottom left of your screen. Okay, so let me just change the privacy for this one. Okay, so select everyone. That's right. And then now go back to TikTok. Okay, so let me just click on this one right here. And then let's check if we can now watch the video that we have uploaded. So just click on your profile. That's right. And now this is the product that you're selling. Now when someone saw this video, they just have to copy this link right here for the item link. So when they copy this one and then paste it on the other tab, they'd be redirected to this product. And when they purchase this product, since of course we are using our affiliate link, we can get our commission for this one. Okay, so let us try to sell another product. For example, you're looking for a specific item that you wanted to sell. So we have here a search bar. So let me just type out right here phone cases or any product that you want to sell on your TikTok account. Okay, so just make sure that the product that you are going to select have a video that you can use. Okay, so this product has a video, so we are going to use this video to sell this item. So just right click and then save the video. Okay, after that just click on save and then go back to TikTok. So before we go back to TikTok, let us copy the link of this product. So just go back here, click on share and click on copy. Now go back to TikTok once again and let us create another post. So just click on upload. Okay, and then clicked on the select video option. So this one at the center. Okay, and then just have to locate the folder and then select your video and click on open after that. Now let us paste here the text of this product and then edit the cover. Okay, make sure to use an appealing cover so that it will attract more customers to watch your video. Okay, so I think this one would do. Click on confirm after that. And then here for the privacy, let's select everyone. After that, just click on post. So just wait for a couple of seconds. And then when you go back to your TikTok account, go to your profile, you'll be able to see here now the videos that you have uploaded. So whenever someone visits your profile or watch your video and purchase the product using your affiliate link, you'd be able to get your commission. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.